All right, we got a super nice 2012 Honda Accord EXL 1 owner vehicle. Dark charcoal gray metallic, auto headlights with fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, pinstripe, V6 engine. Great shape, gray leather interior, wood grain trim throughout. Honda OEM carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver's seat. 6-disc in-dash changer, premium sound with subwoofer, 390-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, just over 141,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof, so if you're running on empty, come see us at U-Cars.